Hello, hello, hello. Oh, hold on. I think it's good. Good morning, bro. So, unfortunately, today is going to be a little. Oh, it's going to be a little bit different. I guess I'll wait, or I'll probably just say it again. But Sean, the guy that owns Tradecaster, you know how the rate hikes are today. I don't watch any news at all. But I guess they come out today, or already came out, or I don't know what time they come out. But actually, does anybody know what time they come out? But he decided to do like a four-way stream, and he texted me last night. They come out at 2. Yeah, so he decided to do a four-way stream. Texted me last night at 9 a.m. my time, which is 30 minutes after market open. And so I think I have to end my stream to be able to talk to him live and do the four-way stream with the other streamers. And so I might have to be doing that in the middle, or I might have to stop and then go do that. Yeah, it's okay though. I've never really talked to them live. Well, but if they start asking me about freaking rate hikes or rate high or whatever, all that stuff, I'm gonna be like, dude, I got no idea. I'm a technical trader. I don't watch any news, and I don't care what the SPY does because I still trade the penny stock every single day. But oh well. Oh. But it actually does live really slow, anyways. I'm not really seeing. I think I see one stock moving. We made money the day SPY was down 3.5. I do think SPY has more room to go down. I think that's what he just wants us to talk about, like what we think and stuff. But we'll see. What's I gonna do? Settings, stream. What's up, John? What's up, all my people? Dude, it takes so long to get everything going. It's kind of crazy. Hey, John, guess who was up this morning at 7:30? Not me. Just kidding. Um, no, I was up at 7. I got up like 7:15, but not because I was looking at the market. I had to go take my dog to the grooming. But I came back and I sat here. I thought I was going to be back a little earlier, but I got here like 8, so I basically was up like 10, 15 minutes earlier than I was. But I did see you were calling out stocks, and I looked at them, but they were so slow and no volume, so I guess we are all stalling for that. I was up at like 6 today, and I should have slept like 8 because it sucked in the morning. Yeah, that's why he wanted us to do the thing today because of the rate hikes or whatever, and it's going to be slow until then, which is not until later. I just heard from Zach. Uh, uh, Andres, how is that possible, man? Might as well just take your money and open it somewhere else. That's ridiculous. YouTube didn't show you I was on. I don't have it private this time. Yeah, it's public. So it should be normal, but oh well, you're here, Rob, so good morning. So what gappers do you guys see? I think the only one I was seeing or people were mentioning was Evax. 359 high. And that's a pretty good move. 359 is already crossing the 200 moving average. We do have this daily kind of down here, 317. My bank and my bank, I don't know. This fuck is done. Lost in 9 days. Have no answer yesterday. I got a call later. Time zone difference don't help me. Evax, Frey. I think I saw AGRI as well. PGY, AGRI. Yeah, that one just popped up. Evax, SOBR. I also heard that one. So AGRI. Let me look at that one. And then PGY. PGY is that one stock that went pretty nuts that one day. So Frey, not the best. Market high 14.4. 14.93 is high on this one, so you could be looking at $15 if this one gains momentum and keeps going. And then that was 4 days ago, so that one's not bad. Frey is not bad, but so far there's no volume, but the chart is not bad. And then AGRI. Oh yeah, you're right about this one. This one does not look pretty. So today's high, actually it was yesterday's high, 215. Wow, 215 is right at the 200 moving average, literally. So that's where it exactly stopped. It's 215. Let me see. So 215 is going to be 200 moving average on this one. Let's see if we can even get over that. And we already pulled back, and not enough volume on that one either. So today really might be a slow day, maybe not, maybe even a no trade day. But I always say that, and then somehow always end up finding a trade. So we'll see. EBAX, SOBR is the one I haven't looked at. So I looked at EBAX. On EBAX, we are already past the 200 moving average, which is a good thing. We do have a pivot of 317 on the daily, which is kind of what we're trying to reclaim there. So we went past the 200 moving average and pulled back down. There's always something that pops up to trade at some point during the day. Yeah, yeah. Frey, the stock doesn't have volume, but 5 days ago put in a high of 14.93, looking at $15. And I think this one, if it gets volume and we start holding this 14.4, 14.5 pivot, we can get a $15 trade. AGRI 215 was exactly 200 moving average as well, but this one's pulling back down. Also no volume. We'll just keep an eye on that one. And then PGY. Let me see what PGY. Oh my gosh, PGY is down to $2.25. And this looks like a dead cat bounce because it's not just pulling back, but it gapped down so hard yesterday from $8 down to $2. So yeah, this is going to try to be looking for a dead cat bounce. But yeah, let me see. Oh, SOBR. I still have not looked at SOBR. I don't think I even have it on my watch list. I didn't watch it yesterday on my computer. So SOBR, who of you guys took SOBR yesterday? I think some of you guys came back and traded SOBR. Yesterday, I usually normally at least stay at my computer all day long and kind of keep an eye on the market, but yesterday I straight up left. I had stuff to do. Even today I have stuff to do again too. I took some sober. This one honestly is still consolidating pretty good. 417 high, 200 moving average right above that as well, right at $5, almost exactly at $5. So, and this one went sideways all day, so this one has some room. So 325, 325, reclaiming 325 is going to be good on this stock. Got in at 179, sold 211 on silver, then never gave another entry. You got in at 179. Oh yeah, I remember you said that there was only one entry. 179. Honestly, when I looked at it on my phone, this right here looked money. Right there, 184, comes back down, touches 184, comes back down, touches 184. What's up, Blair? Right here, all of these pullbacks. Oh, this pullback right here, this pullback right here to 184, and then kind of reclaims it, and then look at this candle right here. That's as low as volume you've seen all day right there. That red candle. And then after that, it just took off. Even all these red candles here had very low volume. Unfortunately, it looks like the bigger move happened towards the pre-market after hours yesterday. A lot of opportunity on EVAX. Yeah, I missed that nice entry. I took some at 250 hold and had runners up to 250. 250 hold. Oh yeah, I didn't even see that either. See, but that 184 down here looked pretty nice. Two pivots there, and VWAP. Although I guess you might have gotten thrown off because this red candle here has got pretty good volume coming off a double top rejection, and this one also kind of bigger volume on that last red candle. Frey moving to highs a little bit, hitting that 1440. So we got 4 minutes left. John on YouTube. Good morning, Juan. Good morning, man. Good morning, John. Yeah, maybe it didn't send an alert to YouTube or something because I don't have as many viewers already. Oh well. I was trying to wait for most of you guys here to tell you guys again what's gonna happen today because unfortunately I won't be trading like normal for a while. Mersa, there you are, Mersa. But anyways, I do like silver still. There goes Frey again. PGY, honestly, I don't have that much interest on that one. God, it's cold. Did I not put the air up? I did. Why is it so cold in this place? And also, I don't know if you guys saw, Rob, other Rob, good morning. Farissa, good morning. I don't know if you guys saw, but yesterday, as soon as I ended my stream, I literally looked at AMPX. As a matter of fact, let's look at AMPX today. Oh, AMPX not bad. Where did I even take that trade yesterday? Right here. Oh dang, AMPX still had some trades later in the day yesterday. Anybody else took some trades on AMPX later on? So yesterday I finished the stream in the morning and I was up $100, and literally as soon as I ended it, I ended like right here. I saw this pullback, and as soon as I ended, somebody on my Discord chat immediately was like, "Hey guys, look at AMPX." It was either Lang, pretty sure it was Lang and Zach. This dip right here, yeah, it was Lang because he took it down there, and this thing pulls back, and then out of nowhere it just starts ripping. But I didn't take that pullback. I had to take a breakout trade on this one. As soon as I was done streaming, I came back, took a breakout trade through here. I got this move here, and it was fully out of. I got out of this consolidation, unfortunately. But on that move right there yesterday, I made like $550, and so I was able to go from up $100 yesterday to 655. So I don't know if you guys see my YouTube recaps or not. So I said it there, but letting you guys know here too. That was pretty crazy. Right there, $548. I think at the max I was at the max I was up like 660, 650 on this. But obviously I was selling through this move and it kept pulling back like this candle here. I was up 660 or 50 and then it started selling through here. I should have let some runners, honestly. I should have let some runners go. I had this $10 pivot here. It was holding $10. It had some room to go. This right here is about the lowest low pullback. Look at that. It literally dies completely. Look at this pullback. As it pulls back in so much volume, very little volume, that flag is still holding those highs. So this thing wanted another leg. But oh well. What is happening to my music? Yeah, so Lang killed it. Ben Moby, bro. If I would have taken it. Alright, so we got a minute left until market open. I don't know why my music is not working. So today, guys, is going to be, we got 6 minutes until open, actually. Holy crap. Let's look at, dang, I didn't realize it was that soon. I guess there's nothing anyways that it's really wanting my attention right now. I'm looking at EBAX right now. Frey, if it gets over 1440. And then I'm looking at Silver is the other one that I meant to put. Silver, reclaiming 325 would be good. How come the feed is delayed? It shouldn't be that bad. It should be normal. I don't have anything different today. You might just have to refresh your page or something. Anyways, guys, so today is going to be a little different. So you guys know, oh, there goes Frey. Frey trying to reclaim that 1440. So today's going to be a little bit different. You guys know I stream on YouTube and on Tradecaster, and I'm not the owner of Tradecaster. Sean Deckmark is the owner of Tradecaster. He's another great trader. And today is when the Fed has another meeting about rate heights or whatever like that. And so he asked me if we could do like a four-way stream with all the top traders. And he told me this last night, so I had no idea. But he told me last night about it, and obviously I couldn't say no, even if I didn't want to or wanted to. So at 9, which is literally in 30 minutes, I have to end my stream and join his. And I don't know if I'll be able to keep trading while I'm talking with them or not, but that's what I'm gonna have to be doing. So I got about 30 minutes today of trading just with you guys. I refuse to watch deck. Oh, I said 6 seconds. Yeah, he is too good looking. You calling me ugly? Is that what you're saying? You're saying I'm ugly? AGRI, surprisingly, AGRI is the one making a move right now. And honestly, you guys know I don't pay any attention to news. Like, I could not care if they do the rates today and if they're bad or inflation or if it's 1 basis point or 0.75. I really don't care. I don't look at any news when I trade. I'm strictly uh, a technical trader. Armo Joker, what's up, man? So we'll have to see what happens. Right now I see AGRI and I see a little bit of EBAX trying to go. I don't want to check these first 2-3 minute candles when they reclaim VWAP like this on the market open. I don't want to do that on this one. EVAX is going a little bit. PGY. Oh, there goes that AGRI. Oh, not so much. I don't want to let that thing pull back like that. So I'm going to sit out and let that one do its thing. So hopefully I can at least find a trade here in the opening, because Because I'm pretty sure I won't be able to be trading much if I'm watching them or being with them. AGRI so far is still the only one that Yesterday was a 150% on SPY, but I'm a little upset I didn't write money sooner to refresh my trading career. Yeah, it's a live trading stream. No trades. Well, technically, no trades, but I'm gonna have my screen open. I don't know if we're sharing screens. I don't know if it's just my face over there with his chart. I have no idea. Like he literally told me last night at like 9 p.m. my time. He was like, "Hey, tomorrow we're doing a four-way stream." Yeah, you should be able to watch it on his YouTube channel. I think he said it'll be free. So just look him up on YouTube and you'll be able to watch. My plan is I don't have a link for it. You'll have to just type in Sean Deckmark. Hold on. I guess I can find one. There we go. Wow, a big old rejection on AGRI. So unfortunate. I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm gonna miss trading with you guys. This is what I do. But he's also the owner of Tradecaster, so and everything is tanking. PRPL purple again. Oh wow. Pur- Purple has to hold $4. Even this 404 from yesterday's high. What's going on? You're leaving Treadcaster? No, not for good, or not at all. I mean, no. I mean, yeah, not for good because I'm leaving it today. I have to. The owner of Tradecaster, Sean Deckmark, he's the one that owns Tradecaster and the one that allows me to stream on Tradecaster. And he texted me last night saying that he is going to do a four-way stream with the other four traders on Tradecaster, which I'm one of them. And that he asked me to be in it yesterday. And so in literally like 20 minutes, he's gonna send me a Zoom link, and I'm gonna have to join that. But I think I have to end my stream for my camera to pick it up on Zoom. So I'm gonna have to end my stream here, go over to Zoom, and then talk with the other traders over there. I don't think we're gonna be trading. I think he basically planned it today on purpose because it's the slow day and everybody's waiting for the Fed talk later on today. And so I think he just wants to talk about that. What is our overall point of view in the market? But I saw that on Evex just now. Was that a misprint? Was that a misprint, or did that actually squeeze and pull back? Because it's not behaving like it squeezed and pulled back. It's looking like it was a misprint. You could bring up his live feed onto your stream. Oh, I guess I could. Hold on, how would I do that though? I would have to end my stream, open my Zoom camera. I mean, yeah, open my Zoom, join the Zoom with the camera there, and then just restart my stream. Why not use Discord for what? For streaming to you guys instead of Tradecaster? Well, What's up, Uncut on TikTok? Man, at least I wanted to get a trade in, but holy crap, I'm not seeing anything. Lang, are you saying for me to use Discord for you guys instead of Tradecaster? Hmm. I don't know. I'll try to figure something out. If not, honestly, it's not that big of a deal if I'm not missing anything moving. Plus, I feel like I can't be like talking to them about all that stuff and then be like, "Oh guys, look, 5 minute flag, 5 minute flag on Armid. Let's all jump in." Armid is pushing a little bit. Can't give my usual call outs when I'm talking to other people. I see Armid pushing a high of 20 cents from this pre market and then high of 22 cents from a couple days ago. So let's see how this one reacts here. Let's see if this pullback up is a little bit stronger. Wow, that I think already kind of slightly flushed there. Lazy trader, it's not what it's not. And then let me see, what did Rob say? Saving some capital for MOC today. Lost point 0.9 on sober. You all keep it tight. See you tomorrow. Oh, Rob is heading out. Awesome, Rob. Foxo top watch for Mersa. Oh, good call here, Mersa. There's that pre-market pivot from yesterday, 263. I might jump in on this one here, honestly. I jumped in on Foxo here. Low volume pullback here on Foxo. How did that take me out so fast? This one might be pulling back a little too much now. Took that first trade there. Yeah, this might be pulling back a little too much. Here, let's watch. I still see a little bit of buy orders here, but volume is a little bit increasing here. Wow, a lot of buy orders there. A lot of buy orders there. Let's see if we can reclaim this 263. This 263 is pre-market high, so I was trying to use it as support. Oh, that just failed through that level. I might have to cut this one here. Dang, that thing just completely free falling. I might have, no, I don't know that I rushed that one because I looked at the pivot. I saw the pivot. I think that was the pivot. It tried bouncing there. As a matter of fact, I was up on the trade already. And then, So quick trade here was because of that right there. Pre-market high 263 goes over 363. This thing started dying. This candle here was very low volume when I first joined it, and then it started hovering over that VWAP there as well. So I thought I could take a quick trade there. I was green on at 80, and then it looks like I probably get back a little over 200 because now I'm down 140. But let's keep watching it. Frey is still recovering as well. So let me look at Frey real quick. Frey heading back to that 1440. I think Mercer added on Foxo down there, so his second ad might have been good. Oh wow, this thing is just heavy. This stock is just heavy. Huge loss, Ape Trades? No. Dang it. I got smoked on that one too. Well, not smoked. I took a small loss there, but that really dumped pretty fast. What's up, Eric? On TikTok, Eric. Looking at Frey though, this is pulling back down here. I want to see if Frey pulls back down here as well, and I can take a trade on this one here. On Frey, this nice little push here, and then see if we get a pullback down to VWAP, touching the ADMA here on the 5. Keeping an eye on Frey. Oh, come on. Dang it. I wanted that pullback there on Frey. Oh man, looking at 1450 break, I guess. That right there was a nice low volume pullback on Frey. So Eric or everybody on TikTok, unfortunately I have to end my stream early today. I gotta go and talk to other traders online in like 15 minutes. So I won't be able to stream long today. Rare occasion though, this doesn't happen often. Yeah, that sucks, Ape Trades. Ape Trades is on a roll too. At least he can soak it up. He soaks it up. He's still green probably for the month. That's a good thing about knowing what you're doing now. You're green, you take a decent sized loss, you're still good. Which app do you use? This is Thinkorswim. The Thinkorswim is the app. So Frey, I don't like it now because we've already tapped that 1440 again. I wanted to pull back here up to 1440 the first time, not after we top it again and then we get rejected there. Let's see. I mean, Frey's kind of still holding. I would take maybe 1440 pivot, breakout trade to 1450, see if we get that breakthrough there. And this one has that almost $15 up here on Frey. Is it worth it to learn day trading, and how long do you think you have to learn loose on trades to start making? Yeah, I think it's worth it. I mean, you can make money in an hour, 2 hours a day, and you'd be done for the day. So, and you can make as much money as you want, as depending on how good you get. And there's no limits to how much you can make. So yeah, I think it's worth it. As far as improve your trade skills, it just depends. Like, are you a complete beginner and looking to improve? Then you have to keep watching the markets every morning. You just have to get better at it. You have to gain experience. Everything comes easier the more you look at them. If you're not a beginner and you've really been struggling for a year, 2 years, 3 years, then I don't know. Maybe just find a mentor, find somebody to help you out, find somebody to ask, which you have somebody right in front of you that you're watching. Can we agree this is the worst day we've seen in months? Yeah, it is pretty bad so far. The only thing that was looking good was Foxo, and the daily on Foxo is so being down. I thought maybe it had a little bit of a bounce, but we all got smoked on that one there. All of us got smoked on that one. PGY is consolidating below volume. AGRI maybe trying to reclaim this VWAP here. Honestly, honestly, I just want to turn everything off and go back to bed. I slept and was so tired yesterday, and this morning I had to get up about an hour earlier than usual. Market's not doing anything. Frey consolidating up here, but can't break out. Look at that tiny spike there to 1442. Double top it, instantly rejection there. I'm trading stocks. Tell, but massive float. Oh yeah, this one moves pretty slow. And also got destroyed yesterday, so it's trying a debt gap bounce too. I see BYND on my momentum scanner. Beyond Meat here, looking okay-ish. Man, I feel like I'm just gonna take that $144 loss today, because I'm not gonna be able to keep trading. Well, maybe I'll keep trading, but NVTA, NVTA, pretty nice spike. Okay, EVAX buyers won't give up. I do see that one still. So does Frey, but and then EVAX buyers tried already twice. I guess this thing is kind of Ape trades. I know you have been working hard on improving your overall trading. Don't let the setback change your trading confidence. Take the day off and come back to what worked for you. Kevin, SLNG granted 28-year approval. Natural gas from Feds up 62%. Second halt. Which one's that? So the way EVAX is behaving, I'm a little cautious. I'm a little cautious just because you got two attempts. I don't know if there was a misprint or not. I didn't see them. And I literally read it. And then this kind of flush, so recovered both of them on both ends. So we'll keep an eye on it. But cautious, this thing wants to go break out. It'll probably just get flushed on real quick, especially with lack of volume and buyers today. SLNG. Oh yeah, I see it, Kevin. Small size if you take. Blair also read today on the day. We don't have to rush trades today. I don't know that I rushed that one because I would have taken it anyways. This is a nice pullback up. This is a nice pullback down. It was looking low volume. Even here still looks low volume compared to those green two. Pull down a VWAP, and then I was looking at this right here. That touch right there to hold as a pivot. So let's just keeping an eye on things and see what happens. If I have to take a 144 loss today, that's a pretty small loss, so keep it small and then maybe just find something later on today or find something tomorrow or something to make it back. Sucks that I was up on it first too. NVTA kind of doing the same thing. EVAX from 305 to 323. Nice, nice. Looks like Frey is just completely frozen too. Yeah, that makes sense. Sniper traits again, telling you guys ahead of time what he's looking for and what he's gonna try. Looks like Blair also tried Frey and got stopped out. Frey, right now, I'm not seeing anything for me to even take a trade. Foxo was the only one that to me looked okay-ish. Nice pull there, nice pull back, and unfortunately, this thing just flushed very hard. Um, Watching AGRI as well. AGRI trying to make a move. Pushing up right now with lower volume. All good. All good setups today are big floats. What is Tell doing still? Tell SY SYRS. Okay. SYRS. Not too bad, not too shabby, not too shabby. Somebody also saying a Tell entry at 301. Kevin is still thinking SLNG gonna have a second halt or something like that and get them moved back up to like $16. Could be possible, but I send good luck to you, Kevin, on that trade. I'm not taking that one today. Not today, especially knowing that I gotta head out here literally pretty soon. I don't want to get into a big red trade. Beyond flagged right there, low volume, had the next leg up. Missed that one. BYND mentioned it earlier, and it is on my momentum gapper, momentum scanner. So you guys always take a look at my momentum scanner as well. But the Fed meeting's not even till like 2. I think that's what Zach said. Educativo, what's up, Educativo? 2 Eastern. And so that's 1 for me. NVT has a nice spike, could set up. We need a bigger pullback on this one. Looking at yesterday's high, 3-1, that could be a nice pullback on that one. So it looks like I'm gonna have to go over there. I'm waiting for I don't know what he's gonna do. If he's sending me an invite or on email or what. I don't even know. I don't even use Zoom. I'm guessing he just sends me an invite to my email. But I'll try to figure out if it's just something that we're gonna talk real quick. I might even be like, I have to go pick up my dog from the groomers, which I do. I gotta go pick up my dog from the groomers. The borrow fee, if it does go up and break the high, could have a nice squeeze. Yeah, that's always nice to know. So I'll try to figure out if I can still keep the stream running or figure out how to stream it. If not, guys, then I really am sorry. I apologize, but I'll be back tomorrow and stream my usual 2 hours, 2.5. AGRI pulling away. a little bit, pulling away with ish volume. 188 has been a little pivot here, but I don't know that I want to take this pivot here. PGY, I know we haven't really looked at it this morning, but look at that nasty flush it just put in. Even though we haven't looked at it and traded, this is still telling me shorts are here today. Look at that. Wow. Literally, like, we should just, like, not trade for the rest of September, man. We literally should just not trade September at all. SYRS, the one John also called out, kind of could have had a pivot there, 665-ish, retested VWAP, and also flushing through. PGY flush it. Yeah, PGY went from like $8 down, $10 down to $2 at the after hours. Yeah, from 760s all the way down to 3. That's a nasty flush there. This is Nasdaq. It depends on the stocks you're trading. Some of them are Nasdaq. Some of them don't have to be Nasdaq. Yep. AGRI is still somehow the one going, but no clean entries. Somebody in my course yesterday was like, what happens if you don't find a clean entry on the stock and it just keeps running, dude? Just end up chasing it? If I see a breakout trade, yes. Like an obvious breakout trade. By an obvious breakout trade, I mean I have a high right here. Like, say this is the high right here, and then stock literally pulls back. I missed the dip entry down here, and then it's right here. I have a high breakout there to break this. Yes, but right here, I don't have an obvious. If I look left, my breakout trade would literally be not until 215. So I'm not chasing this one. So if it goes, I miss my entry down here, I miss anything down here, I'll just gonna leave it alone. I'll just leave that one alone and let it go without me. What is the market even doing in general? Are we pulling back? Do we think we're gonna pull back before the meeting, after the meeting? What do you guys actually think? Anybody big history, not history, but like big, I don't even know what you call it, like big news guy, but like, how do you say it? Like you're big into economic guy. I don't know how to freaking phrase it. SLNG on news. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kevin, you are right about SLNG. Did you get in on that resumption? I think we will rally if 75 baseball and Fed send favorable message. And VTA doing well. Sure, I think we need to go into bear market anyways. So I think just because of the Fed, and I don't know what's gonna happen, I think I'm gonna close my puts on Tesla. I was looking for a gap down, but I don't think I didn't get that obviously, and so I'm just gonna close them. And I'm losing 60 on one, and the other one is like green, like 5-10 bucks. So didn't take a loss on these, but didn't make any money at all. But at least I'm free, and I had a decent amount of money in those puts. but they ended up break even, so I'm okay with that. I do watch altcoin daily, but that's crypto if you will. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't watch any crypto at all, so honestly, I have no idea. Do I trade options at another broker? No, on this same broker, on Thinkorswim. But sometimes I think we're going to pull back for sure, and I also think it's going to be loss pullback hopefully. Okay, people are still thinking pullback after meeting as well. I don't. It's not that I don't like crypto. I just never really watched crypto or got into crypto. So hold on. I guess I should check this guy's lobby and see what he's doing. Hey, I guess we're still waiting. Anyone still having trade zero issues? What kind of issues? What kind of issues are you having? Does anybody else that use charts not showing? Hmm. Is anybody using AGRI maybe pivot to 190? I don't know. This thing is just getting stuffed. Everything is getting stuffed. Like this. This is a nice. This right here is an. It's a nice move. No, no, no. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. You guys are still here, right? You guys. You guys can. Okay. Guys, let me say this because this happens a lot. This happens a lot. If I ever end the stream without saying bye. Oh, now Tesla wants to drop. Um, Okay, Blair, make it a little bit comeback. Blair, don't try to get back to break even. If you see a trade and you get a good trade, take it. But other than that, don't try to be like, oh, I need to get back to break even. Anyways, guys, if I ever end the stream without saying bye, something happened. Either my power went out, which that has happened, or my subscription maybe got expired, which that has not happened during the stream, but it's happened before in the morning when I couldn't stream and I had to ask them. Or for some reason my stream just ends, which happens randomly. It's either OBS issue, a Tradecaster issue, a YouTube issue. So so sometimes things like that happen, but you guys know if I'm ever ending the stream, I'm always gonna say bye to you guys, so I'm not just leaving out completely. Okay, so you're an adrenaline dude, Eric. That's awesome, man. You're riding motocross. Do you have investments? I have long-term investments, yeah, but usually this is the most more that I do. Hanish888 posted the YouTube link for Deckmark, and I think he just ended it, so he's probably gonna send me an invite here pretty soon. Oh my gosh, my TikTok stream is so far behind. I just realized. I don't know if it's my phone or not, but I'm like, I just started talking about if my stream ends without me saying bye. It's not my fault. It's not because I ended it. So, Donovan McMahon, I have not seen anybody say that they're still having issues with Trade Zero or anything like that. So it might be in your end or something like that. Bro, you're adding more crosses. That's pretty awesome. So you also have your own clothing line, so-called Moto Crew. Awesome. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Does it show up if I type that in somewhere? Socar Socar Moto. I'm guessing it's a motocross theme as well. Wow, what a slow market. Is anybody green today? Is anybody green on the day? NVTA is gone. NVTA almost pulled back down to a pivot there on the 5 minutes, but it did touch the ADMA and took off. John hasn't taken a trade. You know something's wrong when John is not even up coming out of pre-market. AGRI pulling down to that pivot just now. Okay, he just sent me the link, guys. So it looks like I'm gonna have to call it there. Once again, sorry I have to do this, guys. But if you guys want to go watch, you can go watch on his YouTube. I'm not seeing a lot of trades, anyways. So if I just don't come back at all after that, I don't know how long that's gonna take. Then I will see you guys tomorrow. But I do appreciate you guys coming in here. Um, hold on, let me see Frey. I almost took a trade there. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna head out. I'll see you guys maybe later, maybe not. I'll hang out on the dang, I just missed that freight trade right there. So you guys have a good day. Sorry this is happening today. This doesn't happen often at all. But I'll see you guys later on or tomorrow. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Sorry about that. If you're green, keep your green. If you're small, red, keep your red. Wait for a good trade like that one that I just missed out. But pretty slow day so far, and I guess things might get better going on until later. So you guys, thanks for watching, and you'll have a good rest of your day. See you guys.